Inflation, higher interest rates, and the Ukraine war are setting the stage for a big financial crisis.
With Europe in the middle of its worst energy crisis in decades, politicians...
There is a high risk of energy emergencies this summer.
Global hunger levels are at a new high.
Most people don't think about electricity at all, but the day you get up and flip the switch and lights don't come on, that's a really bad day.
In order not to fall under the milestones of history, create your own. With the Miller Mills, compact mills for home or bakery, it is autonomy that will save in difficult circumstances. Productive small-sized mills, the Miller, are easy to operate, reliable and compact. Sophisticated technology allows you to grind any grain, and the sifter guarantees high-quality flour cleaned of unnecessary impurities. All kinds of bread, homemade pastries, porridge according to your own recipes, a real freedom of delicious creativity for your family. After all, when you have your own mill at home, you are ready for any changes. After all, a reliable assistant that will provide good flour is right next to you. The Miller Mills, it's your product safety.